Good morning, friends, and welcome to another Number Corner with Mrs. A for this wonderful Wednesday. I hope you all had a great day yesterday. Let's go to our calendar and see what is behind number 9. Now, wait a minute. I don't know if we're going to have a pattern. Let's see. Cylinder, cube, sphere, cube. Cylinder, cylinder. Rectangular prism, rectangular prism. What could today be? Let's do a drum roll. Ready? Today is it's a sphere, nice and round, no flat sides, no pointy vertices. It is round like a bouncy ball, and it is a bouncy ball. It is a basketball today. All right, let's say today's date. Ready? Today is Wednesday, December 9th, 2020, with a basketball in the shape of a sphere. All right, let's go ahead and make sure everything matches here. December is the 12th month. It is the 9th day, the 20th year, December 9th, 2020, or the abbreviated version DEC.9 Zoop 20 for December 9th, 2020. All right, let's go ahead here. And before we forget about our basketball, let's plug it in under the shape of a sphere. Basketball. We have a sphere. Let's go to our grid observation chart, 12-9 for December 9th. Not a cylinder, not a rectangular prism. It is a sphere. Basketball. Good job. Okay, so we've got that sphere. That means since we're talking about 3D shapes, now remember 3D shapes are fat, not flat. I can touch all the way around it. Let's go to my 3D shape song and say it right after Mrs. A. I say it, then you say it. Here we go. 3D shapes are fat, not flat. A cone is like a party hat. A sphere like a bouncy ball. A cylinder, a can of pop. A cube like a dice we drop. Rectangular prism like a tissue box. 3D shapes are here and there. 3D shapes are everywhere. Good job. Okay, let's go back to my calendar and figure out how many days of school. Today is 66. Now we left off at 65. So I am going to go ahead and put another X on my chart to show 66 today. There we go. And since I know that was 5 and one more is 6, I can easily and quickly just say 6 when I count this later. So let's count our 10s first. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 66. Boom. And let's go here. Let's type in 6. That Y makes the E sound. And 6 again. 66. Okay. I've got 10 groups of 6 and then 6 ones. But today I'm going to put the equal sign on the other side of my equation, which works as well. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Groups of 10 plus I still have those 6 ones. So let's read this equation. Ready? Let's read it fancy style. 66 is equivalent to 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 6. Beautiful, scholars. Now let's do a vertical stacked equation. 6 groups of 10 is 60 plus 6 ones equals 66. And there we go. All right, friends, let's go to our tick tock goes the clock. We left off yesterday at 6 o'clock. And today the clock is going to go around another round around the clock for those 60 minutes. And it's going to land on 7 this time because it is a new hour. Let's turn that arrow, make sure it lines up with the 7. There we go. Change my 6 o'clock digital time to a 7 o'clock. And sometimes you will see a 7 with a line in the middle like this one. That's just a fancy way to write the number 7, but you can do it regularly as well. Okay, now 7 o'clock, let me grab my pen, is 12, 1 o'clock again, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock is the 19th hour. We're getting later and later into the evening. There it is, 7 o'clock. So we've probably finished dinner. We've probably helped mom with the dishes, maybe relax a little bit. And mom is probably going to start asking me to get ready for bed soon or start taking a shower or a bath at this 7 o'clock p.m. hour. Okay, let's go to our clock here and make sure everything matches today for that 7 o'clock. I'm going to take my eraser, erase this 6, and I'm going to erase this 6 for the hour and change my hour to 7 on my digital time and pointing right at the 7, but making sure my hour hand is nice and short so I can really see the minute hand on the 12 is long and the hour hand pointing to 7 is short. Okay, that's really important. So let's go ahead and get rid of this and find my digital 7 o'clock. Oh, there he is, hiding right there. And my analog clock has to match this right here where the short hour hand is pointing at the 7. Let's see if you can find it before Mrs. A. 7 o'clock, where are you? 7 o'clock, there you are. All right, here we go. Analog clock says 7 and the digital clock says 7. Beautiful. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me on another fantastic number corner. You are incredible. You are important. You are loved. And you are a scholar with a growth mindset. Don't forget, keep up the great work, and I will see you again tomorrow. Have a great day, friends. Bye-bye.